Welcome to Season 2. In this season, we show you how to draw this reception desk. Like and subscribe to Analyzer Academy, so you don't miss an episode. The next job is to create our submittal drawing. We can use Analyzer CAD's layout pages for this and then send it to the client for approval. Starting with Analyzer CAD. Go to the 3D Tools button and select Create Elevation. We want to have visible lines only for the elevation. The next thing we want to add is the Plan section. In 3D Tools select Create Section, then specify the position and direction of the plan view we want. The Plan section appears, place it in a position that looks good. Maybe over here. We can now create a couple of cross-sections. In 3D Tools select Create Section. On the page layout, select the elevation and specify the position of the first cross-section. Like this, and position it on our page layout. Create a second cross-section through the Draw cabinet. Move the Plan section down a bit to create some space. We probably need a plan view. You can use the cross-section command for this as well. Place the section line above the elevation and point it down. This automatically gives us a plan view. Now we can add the measurements required on the drawing. The overall size is a good starting point. Then the overall height. The upper bench top depth. The overall depth. The benchtop overhang. Worktop height. Worktop depth. Draw front heights. Worktop thickness. For the front radius, we can use the standard AutoCAD dimensions. To add a material description box, we can copy the architect's plan PDF. Go back to the model space and locate the material description box. Select it and then use the Control Copy function. Go back to our drawing on page 2 and insert it here. You can see it is obviously way too big. Let's scale it down, say about 20 times smaller, so a scale factor of 0.05. It is still a little big, just scale it down a bit more. Now we can create finished tags for the different parts on the reception desk. Starting with TV1 for timber veneer. Use the multi-line text command. Type in TV1. To make it stand out, we can actually put a frame around the text. Go to the text properties and we can say yes to add a text frame. That puts a nice frame around the text, highlighting the material selection. We can copy the material tag to other areas of the drawing. Then change the tag text to suit the current part. The drawing is now ready to be published, so we can print the PDF. We will make some changes to the reception desk model for the manufacturing stage once we get our shop drawing approved. Thank you for watching. In the next episode we continue the process of creating a custom J12 reception desk. Like and subscribe so you don't miss an episode.